Hi guys, well actually it's not a travel vlog. I just wanted to share one of my experience. When I was vlogging my last vlog, my GoPro camera came up with some error. At that time, I was confused and can't think of any solution. It got start you know and then after the trip I just contacted a few people and tried to repair it. And then I remembered that I can claim warranty for this, and I found a way to contact the GoPro company through their website. Okay, you can go to gopro.com/help/contact us. uh, by this URL you can go to this page. And actually in Sri Lanka time you need to contact them after 7:30 p.m. That's when the American business hours starting. You have to fill this form to contact a agent. So here you have to select the product support option and select your camera. My one is Hero 8 Black. Here it is. Okay, then you have to type reason for contacting the company. So type something and then type your name and type a phone number. They will we have two options actually. We can ask for a call or a chat. I just type my phone number here so they can contact me via phone call. Okay, Sri Lanka, and then my email address, and I have to type some reason for contacting. I'm writing here that my camera is not working properly. Okay, then click the contact us button. Here we go. Okay, now you can as you can see, there is two options. We can start a chat or request a call. But starting a chat, it's actually taking some time. It takes 4 minutes. It shows 4 minutes, but it takes more time than. Then it's better to request a call. So I requested a call, and after 1 or 2 minutes, I received a call from the company, and then I explained what happened to me, and the person who called has really helped me to get through with my problem. And I explained about my camera, and they took all the details, and they agreed to claim warranty and replace my camera. Then they sent me a mail including 3 documents and the process how to replace my camera. Before you receiving this call, you need to write down or notice your serial number of this camera. You can find it on camera info and near the battery case. That mail they sent me had 3 documents: a commercial invoice, RMA form. Most importantly, they have sent me a shipping label. So that means I can send my package or my camera replacement for free. As they have advised me, I took 3 printouts of each of these 3 documents, and now I have 9 documents. Then I had to pack and ship my camera. I packed it very carefully, and GoPro staff has advised me to put a commercial invoice, RMA form, and a shipping label inside the parcel with the camera. After the packing completed, I uh, pasted the shipping label in front of it, and as they advised, I put another copy of the commercial invoice, RMA form, and shipping label into a envelope. So this is actually because this shipping label belongs to UPS, and they are repacking these stuffs before shipping. So after that, I handed it to the courier service, which is UPS, and within 4 days, I think, parcel was delivered, and after that they have sent me a brand new camera, and also they have sent me a mail with the tracking number. So the camera came after another 5 days, so total process of 10 to 12 days, and I received my brand new GoPro camera.